check out the all-new Beats Flex, all-day wireless earphones that are versatile by design. With magnetic earbuds, a comfortable flex-form cable, and long battery life, you're always ready for what's next. The durable flex-form cable is designed for comfort, so you can wear Beats Flex all day, even when you're not listening. The magnetic earbuds automatically pause what you're listening to when they're resting around your neck, and autoplay gets you right back to your music. 4 ear tip options offer a personalized fit, and the flex-form cable stays tangle-free even in a pocket or purse. Press the power button on the right side of the neckband to turn Beats Flex on. Connecting is easy with the Apple W1 headphone chip. Just hold the earphones next to your iPhone to pair them, then automatically connect with any Apple device on the same iCloud account. You can even use audio sharing on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to listen with a friend if they have Beats headphones or AirPods. And Android users can download the Beats app to quickly pair Beats Flex, check battery levels, and adjust settings for a great experience. Beats Flex have advanced acoustics with custom layer drivers, so you get premium sound with ultra-low distortion and rich, accurate bass. A built-in microphone with acoustic mesh improves voice clarity and reduces noise, while an optimized speaker angle delivers clear sound every time. Control your audio directly using the built-in controls on the left side of the neckband. Press the multifunction button to play and pause, change tracks, take calls, or activate a voice assistant. With up to 12 hours of listening time, Beats Flex stay charged throughout the day. Fast Fuel technology provides an hour and a half of playback on a quick 10-minute charge, and the USB-C charge connector works with both Android and Apple devices. Inside the box, you'll find a USB-C to USB-C cable, a quick start guide, 4 multi-sized ear tip options, and a warranty card for your new Beats Flex. Now that you've seen what Beats Flex have to offer, it's time to start listening.